How to join a private fantasy Premier League. After you have successfully logged in with your username and password, you would be able to see an interface like this. And from here, you just need to tap on Leagues and Cups. On the top, you can see Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. Simply tap on the Create and Join New Leagues. Since we are joining a new league, simply tap on the Join a League and Cup option of the top. And if you want to join public leagues, you can simply select the second option, Join Public League. And if you want to join the Invitational League and Cup, you can simply tap on Join Invitational League. For public league, you simply tap on the Public League and you will be prompted to this page where you can simply join the classic scoring or head-to-head. Choose the league according to your preference. And after tapping on the classic league, now you are joined to a classic league. Since you do not need a private code to join public leagues, you are already into the public league. Now, if you want to join another cup or leagues, just tap on Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. Follow the same procedure as the beginning. And for now, I'm going to go with the private league. So I want to tap on Join Invitational League and Cup. And here you have to enter the code that you have received in order to join a private league. And after you have entered the correct code, you would be able to tap on the Join League option. And from there, you would be able to enjoy the private leagues with your friends or family. And in this way, you can join a private league on FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.